Hello everyone. In this video we will talking about the social distance. So I am creating one report of the social distance. So we already discussed in the person detection. Now we will discuss in the social distance. So logic is same. Just we will put the thresholds just like one threshold. If one threshold less than the value, we will bounding boxes in the red, otherwise green. Okay, let's start how to the work. So download from here, then download. After you go to the I am already downloaded my code. So here the social distance, I am opening the code from here, my Sublime textbook reader. If you want to any other editor use, then you go to just like PyCharm, Python, ideally etc. uh, depend on you. So here is the multiple libraries of the Python source. Just open computer vision library, data time, and NumPy. This library is getting from here. Okay, you can see here we are calling from here this library. Then it is important the necessary packages you can see. Tick, then initialize the next unique ID. Then store maximum conservation frameworks which we are giving. Then we register an object available in which we ID stored. So then we check the input boxes rectangular. If empty, then you mark red, otherwise green. Okay, so initialize the arrays, centralize, then you can see. And I am also coming down all this lines code, what what they are saying. Okay, so come to the main code. So you can see here that we loaded the cafe model. Then we put the classes. Then classes, we detect the person. Okay, so you can see. Then here the rectangle boxes of the ranges you can see expected. So here the loaded our video. You can also mention your camera, real-time camera. So here I will initialize the boxes rectangular. So let's start the application how to work. So I am cleared the my terminal. I am already in the this document folder, social distance. I am using the command ls. You can see all these documents, sorry, files, Python files and model. Just I am running my code Python social distance. So I think distance manipulation. My English is not good. I am trying my best. So you can see the result. Here these two peoples in the coverage of the distance. You can see also these blue peoples also in covering, then red mark. Okay, here is the result. I hope you like it. Please subscribe our channel and more getting informational updates. uh, our target is more accurate and AI projects working how to use, then our target also in programming side. So hope you like it, and do not forget our videos and support us.